We made it. We made it through the day. We got 15 minutes until my mic on. 15 minutes until the bell. So let's see. Let's look what we did today. Okay, let's go. I always like to talk about trading psychology and how do we master our mindset. Hello and welcome to live. My name is Carolyn Savage. I am a day trader. I've been day trading for 4 years, and I've been day trading for 4 years, and I want to, don't we all, we want to be more profitable. So I'm learning how to master my mindset so that I can win more trades and have a better to what is it called? Win to loss ratio. I want to have, get that better, and then I want to make more profits so that I can be more consistent. And my goal is to make $30,000 a month consistently, because sometimes I make the money and then I'll, have a drawdown the next week, or you know how it is. So put in the chat how long you've been day trading, or if you're starting to day trade. So we looked at, we got 15 minutes till, well, let me double check on the time. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm on Eastern time, so 15 minutes before the closing bell. Stock market closes at 4 o'clock Eastern time, and so this one was SOC. I think I did. I think I did one trade on this. Let me look back on this. Okay, so I did one trade on that one, and I always write down all my trades. So I took about 4 trades today. And the trade that I took on this one was a little bit right before, I think I tried to, okay, we had made this high, and then it kind of pulled back, and then I got in about right here, about 870, 876, something around there, and then wanted to ride it up to this new high. So I think the high day was 940. So basically only made up to 947 today. And then if you were wanting to get back in this trade, it's like, did it have enough momentum? No, it did not, to get up to at least $10. So that's my thing too. Like, you have to catch the trade when it's, you look at it pre-market, which I did, and then you just can hope for the best here, trading those stocks. And actually, let's see, I'm trying to look at my notes. There was news yesterday. I think that was the problem on this one. Is that right? Let me see. I'm trying to look at the notes. Yeah, so that was the issue, and that's what we talked about today. Will it get up to a new high? So yesterday, let me see if it had a good run. Let me look at this. So this is SOC. Change it to the 5-minute time frame. 5-day, 5-minute. I forgot what I was looking at yesterday. Okay, yeah, so that's what happened. It went from $5 all the way up to like $9.34, or I think it was $9.40 actually. Then, if you saw my live this morning, then I said, hey, can it make it up to a new high? But at least it did all right. It just it dipped, and then this did pretty good today. So from 7 something this morning to 9 something. So if you can hold these trades, that would be great. But I kind of scalped them, so I'm looking for a little bit more of a move. But that wasn't bad today. But I missed. I should have got in way down here, you see, and that would have been a much better move. But I got in above this resistance level. I can't talk today. So that was when we looked at SOC. And then ATAH. So this one here, it did heat up, and then what I wanted it to do is come back. So from there, it never, see this mark here, it never got back so that it can make a new high. So a lot of these moves, you just got to catch them earlier in the morning. If you pre-market is great. So once it broke 696 or so, then it did go all the way to 836. So the key is to get in if you're just day trading, get in as early as you can in the morning and kind of watch those stocks, and then try pre-market, trade pre-market, or get it right as it dips here. And then these last two stocks I looked at around like 950 was when they made a high day, and then they just kind of sold off. So there, and then see you're just downtrending from there. So that was ATAH. I had to catch that move, and then I traded this one too earlier. And oh yeah, no, I traded. I think I made one trade on it. This one's going great. See this trend line? So this one it dipped at the low was 401, and now it's at 533. So this was a totally different ball game. You just would have had to hold it. And I got some moves in here, which was great. I think I got this move here for what was it that I got in? I forgot the trade that I made today. So yeah, see, right at VWAP, that's what it was. Right at VWAP. And then I got it to about almost $5. So that's what happened. And then finally, yeah, see, so this is one of the trades that you could hold. DGTU. And what else did I trade today? I think that was about it. Yeah, so, but in order for you, today I did really well. I wrote down things in my journal. I will obey my stop, but I wrote down the rules that I was supposed to obey, which is always I will obey my stop. And then I also wrote down that I would be patient. So the trades that I did take, I was very patient and waited for it to actually pull back and wait for the pullback. So in this case, like it went to VWAP, waited for that, and then always wait for the next 5-minute candle to make a new high. And that's what I did there. And then I actually did all right. So that's a good thing. I didn't make a whole lot of money today, but I kept my profits. And then I did, my risk management was my biggest thing. And now I'm feeling good today, but that's why I said learn how to journal so that you can see where you at and be aware of where you at. If some days you just can't trade, you just can't trade. Watch the market and you stay out of the market. But on your best days, when you're feeling really good, and you'll notice in your journal that on those best days, when I have a really good day, that's when I, of course, I'm clear-minded. I take better setups. I take the setups that are actually real setups and not just, oh my God, it's moving up. So, but yeah, we did pretty good today, and then we'll see you tomorrow morning. We're going to get in here at 8:30, and then we're going to go live again tomorrow. So join me live 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and until about 10:30. So we'll trade live together. And if you have have any questions, my link is there. You can hit my Linktree link and then message me there if you need any assistance, like getting started with your Thinkorswim or anything like that, or just to talk sometimes. Sometimes you just need somebody to just, talk it out. I have a mentor, and I mentor people as well, but even on my trading journey, wherever you are, it's called Each One Teach One. Where you are on your trading journey, I keep saying trading journey, then you can help other people too as well. So I'll see you tomorrow at 8:30, and that's Eastern Time.